Chiki Art! Hi friends! Are you ready to have some fun? Today we're going to draw a dinosaur. Let's start. Doesn't he have a big head? The circles can be his scales. That looks like a nice dinosaur. Shall we color him in now? Let's start with red, my favorite color. Which is your favorite color? Now, orange. And then yellow. Make sure you keep the color within the black lines. Shall we move to green? Then blue. Lovely! Purple for the legs. The dinosaur is ready to run! Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!